Here's a controversial topic. What do you do when someone you care about wants to start riding a motorcycle? Do you A, encourage them, or B, try to stop them? You see, when Megan told me she first wanted to start riding a motorcycle, I went full Chinese father on her ass. But despite my best efforts, I could not stop her. It appears we're living in a new era, an era where women have power, where women take the lead roles in new movies and TV. Just kidding, no one watches TV. But Netflix! They're on Netflix! Is it just me or did it get a little awkward in here? Oh, no, other side, other side. Other side, other side. Surprised how many times I've got to walk in the frame here. To the 4 women who watch this channel, relax. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just trying to cope with the fact that in the next 20 years, I'm the one who's going to be making the sandwiches in the kitchen, if you know what I mean. But I digest. If I can't stop Megan from riding a motorcycle, I'm at least going to make her as visible as possible to asshats on the road. That's why today we're installing this Aqua Evo kit on this diamond white Arai Vector 2. Nailed it. So as usual, the first thing we gotta do is give this helmet a good clean. Then I'm gonna take the center off and then we can begin with the LightMode install. Smells like cinnamon. So I figured the Aqua light strips would be a good choice for this helmet. Oopsie doodle. The Aqua would be a good choice for this helmet because in the off state, you can see that it's white. So white on white, we get a good camouflage look in the daytime. But Mr. LightMode, what about the black controller on the back? Well, yes, I agree. That kind of sticks out like a sore thumb on a white canvas. So what we're gonna do after is we're gonna paint it white. I have a special trick up my sleeve. So I was thinking about putting it through here, but I realized if I do that, then you don't really get to see the light strip from the side profile. You see, because it's really high up top, and I kind of want it more here so that when you're looking at it from the front or the side or the back, you still kind of see it. We're gonna stick it right over here, like this. I think that's gonna look cool. Looking pretty good so far. Most full face Arai helmets are roughly the same shape. They just have different vents and spoilers. So whether it's the Signet Q or Defiant X or Quantum X, or any one of those Arai models with those sci-fi names, they're all roughly the same. So you can pretty much follow the steps that I did and install it the exact same way on your helmet if you don't happen to have the Vector 2. Oh, that's my pizza. That took you long. I put some fresh mushrooms on there because, you know, trying to be healthy here, but how healthy can you get with a pizza, right? All right, here we go. It's pizza time. Ain't nothing better than mushrooms on a goddamn pizza. Am I right or am I right? Sorry for the pizza break, but I'm starving and quite frankly, I don't give a f. If I could choose any topping on a pizza, number 1, mushrooms, and then you gotta have some kind of meat, but get that pineapple shit out of my pizza. I ain't no circus clown. Why would you put a fruit on, you know, on a savory thing? It makes no sense. All the pineapple lovers are gonna be like, unsubscribe. Whatever. Mmm. That's a good slice of pizza. How disrespectful is this? Anyone with headphones on right now? Just hear my lips going, chewing, all those food noises in my mouth. Hey, go watch something else. If you're looking for quality content, that's not here. I'm serious, guys. I'm gonna play this whole thing out. It's gonna take me at least 8 minutes to finish this. So, I don't know. You just keep watching if you want. More YouTube money for me. You know what? For frozen pizza, this ain't bad. I mean, I didn't have the mushrooms. I put that on myself, but fucking not bad. It's I tell you the brand name, but I don't even know which one it is. I'm still going, guys, so skip ahead. I've got a long way to go before this pizza's done, all right? It'd be so funny if I make this video like 20 minutes long and it's just like 10 minutes of me eating a pizza and people like who click on the video have no idea that this is coming. That would be the most disrespectful thing I could do. Oh. Some bitch. Oh, Lord, this is good. Am I recording? Oh, I'm recording, yeah. Well, welcome to the Mr. LightMode channel, where you never know what you're gonna get in a video. Sometimes you learn something. Other times you just straight up waste your time. Right. I'm not gonna eat this whole pizza in front of you guys. I just straight up don't have the memory card space on there. So I'll wrap this up and then you guys yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Well, the install is almost complete. We just need to take care of one more thing. So what I'm gonna do here is take this box, this, I don't know, whatever it's called, put the controller into whatever it's called, add in a little bit of white Sharpie into the mix, close up the box, and what we do is we give it a good shake. And boom, there we have it. A white controller perfectly matches our white helmet. Boom, all right, let's take a look at this in the dark. There you have it, guys. The final install, the final result of the Aqua Evo Kit install on this Arai Vector 2. Looks pretty cool from the top. The slight head down tilt. Always the coolest angle for a motorcycle rider. And as always, guys, you know the link to buy this is in the description below. If you would like to first test fit the kit on your helmet, print this PDF template. It's also linked in the description below. You just cut out the shapes and stick them on your helmet to see how they fit before you buy. Here's a closer look before we go to the night shoot. Turned out pretty good on that white on white. Here you go when it's off. You can see it's pretty camouflaged when it's off. In the daytime, it's nice and hidden, and then at nighttime, bam! All right, let's go give this helmet to Megan and on to the night shoot. Woo! Okay, I'm just gonna roll this clip real quick here. Just hold that for a second. Okay. Attack! Keep running, Kyle. She's not gonna stop. Oh shit! Oh, help me, Kyle. Help me. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I saw the opportunity and Kyle was sneaking up. How did it feel, Kyle?
Felt good.
Can't work with you.
It'll pay out one day. A lot of people are gonna watch this video and then they're gonna remember you.
Nope.
Nope. 1 second, guys. I got some lens dirt. Whoa, that's a bug. Ew.
You just squished the bug on your leg.
Ew. Oh, everyone's gonna get so pissed off on the internet that I do this. All right, guys. This is the official push-up contest.
I've already
Oh,
done
dude, it's not a
100.
contest, man. I can't do it in this.
Yeah, you can do it.
I've already
This
done
is for
100.
all the marbles. Winner gets a shout out on my Instagram page
I don't want a shout out from Instagram.
and one follow back from Mr. LightMode.
I got you followed me already.
Shut up. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, stop fighting. Okay, this is it. On the count of 3. Ready?
What are you doing?
3, 2, 1. Push up.
Oh, man, help me. I just smashed my GoPro on the ground. Me too.
Okay, Kyle's got a steady pace. Tommy, furious pace. Megan, slowing down just a little bit. Stan, he's still going nice and strong. I see Tommy slowing down just a bit. Kyle's giggling like a little girl. What's so funny, Kyle? Huh? Megan, taking a break. Hey, come on. Nonsense. There we go. Look at that definition, the muscle definition. Holy shit. Stan, switch to girl push-ups.
I'm on girl push-ups, dude.
Oh.
Are you kidding me? Advertise that, dude. I'm not doing girl push-ups now. I'm a man. Look at that.
Quality content.
I got one leg on my other leg.
Okay. Okay. Megan's out. Tommy's out. Kyle's done. All right, we got Stan the winner here. Gets a shout out on my Instagram at Mr. LightMode. Who cares what his is? Doesn't matter. Thanks, guys. That was a great video. Cheers. On to the next one. Trust fall.
$101, $102.